Hi, I'm Tom D, and I want to show you how I found the alpine/git Docker image that might be helpful for you to run the git commands without installing the git. Here I will show you this with combination of another container, so I can commit in one container and create files in another container. This is a Docker, okay, and I will create the Docker volume. Then I will start the container with git to initialize the git repository. And then I will start the busybox to create the file over there. And then I will use this first container of git to commit. To let it be more convenient, I'm creating the Tmax, this multiplexer manager. So here I run one command, docker volume create for git. That's the name of the volume. Okay, then running the docker run with mounting that volume into the /git catalog, --rm to remove the container when it's done, and empty repository got initialized. Now I will set up the username, config user.name, and user email value to have possibility to commit. Okay, it will be locally, not globally, and that's it. Now I can start another container. So I created by running Ctrl+B+, quote. I created another Tmax pane, and now I'm running docker run with the container busybox. It's using the same volume, so it will have access to created repository. Let's check that. ls-lt and /git lta, so I can see also hidden files, git repo. I'm going there and I will create the file, call it first file. Here I'll put some text value. This is for testing. Write it. Now the file got have some content, so now I can commit. First I will add the file, add /git/first file. So file is registered in the git. Now I will commit that file with commit message. So commit message is first commit ever. It's done. So here I can run the first container to operate over git commands. So I can create even alias over this. And in the second container, I can just manipulate the files without having Git installed on my local desktop.